This environmental theme foil art book is such a fun and creative activity and a wonderful gift for kids who enjoy learning about nature and want to understand how to protect and care for the planet Earth. It includes shiny foil sheets, an 8-color crayon, and a wooden stick. The environmental designs are engaging and full of meaningful details that kids enjoy. The pages feature scenes about Earth, water, planting trees, using solar panels and electric cars. The foil art process is simple and easy to use. Just peel the white sticker, place the foil on top, press gently, and lift to reveal sparkling designs. The set includes a wide variety of colorful foil sheets, so kids can mix and match colors to create unique and shiny pictures. The coloring pages are an extra activity that works well with crayons, colored pencils, markers, or paints. The paper is strong and smooth, so colors look bright and neat. Kids feel proud of their finished artwork and love showing it off to family and friends. Children enjoy experimenting with different color combinations and creative ideas, and feel excited as they see their environmental pictures come to life with shiny foil effects. Parents appreciate how it keeps children engaged in a fun and creative learning experience. This activity helps children build focus and hand-eye coordination while learning about the environment and caring for nature. The set is perfect for home, travel, classrooms, or parties. Each kit makes 16 sparkling artworks, great for sharing with friends and family. It works well as party favors, classroom gifts, or educational activities. Each finished artwork looks bright, meaningful, and full of detail. Overall, this foil art craft set is a wonderful way for kids to enjoy hands-on creativity while learning about protecting the planet. I would definitely recommend it as a fun, engaging, and educational craft activity that inspires children to care for the Earth through art.